Hey, Mike with Marketing Systems by Design here, the channel where we help cleaning business owners generate more traffic to their websites, generate more leads, and get more cleaning clients through digital marketing. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to promote your cleaning business on social media. So let's get into it. So there's a lot of different methods that you can actually promote your cleaning business on social media, but really one key foundation that you need to do before you do any type of marketing is really to understand your target market and your niche and your industry of who you're actually trying to help, who you're trying to serve. Now, a lot of cleaning business owners make the mistake of only talking about the features of their business. So things like they do bi-weekly cleanings, they do window cleaning, they do office cleaning, they do floor polishing, right? So whether you're a commercial cleaning business or a residential cleaning business, often all they talk about is features. Now, you need to shift that mindset into talking about benefits of your target market. So do some studying. What are your target market's pain points? What are their problems? What are their common questions? What better results do they wish they were having? So, if you're talking residential cleaning, maybe it's homeowners and they want more free time. They want more flexibility. They don't want to spend their weekends cleaning. If it's the commercial end of things, facility managers, building owners, maybe they want to cut down on costs. Maybe they want their cleaning service to be more efficient and have better production rates, various things like that. So focus in, understand your target market, learn what their problems are, learn their questions, where do they hang out, because that's really going to be the basis of the rest of your social media marketing when you're promoting your cleaning business. So with that being said, the second step that you need to do is actually focus on content marketing and leading with value first. So as you understand your target market, your niche and industry, you want to focus on their pain points, their problems, and create value-based content centered around that. And so one of the best ways that you can do that is actually with blogging. And so blogging, a lot of people don't necessarily understand that there's a lot of advantages to it. One of them is that it can use SEO, or basically search engine optimization. And so as you write quality content, you want to focus on what people are actually looking for, what they're searching for, and create content around that. So again, if you're a commercial cleaning business, that might be cost savings guides, tips on floor cleaning, protecting your assets, various things like that. Again, residential cleaning, time saving, cleaning hacks, could be why you hire a cleaning service, various things like that. So when you've done that initial market research and analysis of your target market, understanding about them, it makes it simple to talk about different kinds of posts or content that is focused on benefits to them. So when you do that, you create that content, that's really going to be the foundation, because that's what you're going to promote and share on all the other different social media platforms. So step 3 is you can actually promote in Facebook groups, and there's actually thousands of different Facebook groups out there. I'll walk you through in a second of how you can find different ones, but again, this is going to be hard unless you understand your target market. If you know who kind of your ideal client, your ideal customer avatar might be, that's going to make it a lot easier to actually find those people in Facebook groups, because you know where they hang out. So let's hop onto Facebook. I can show you how that works. All right, so now that we're over on Facebook and you've got a little bit of an understanding of who your target market is, who your ideal customer is, you can start searching for them. So this will typically work better for a residential cleaning business, but you can apply the same kind of concept for a commercial cleaning business as well. So when you understand your target market, your niche, who your ideal customers are, you can search for groups that they might be hanging out in. So for example, maybe you want to target stay-at-home moms. You could just type stay-at-home moms in the search bar, hit search, and then from here, you can actually click over to groups. And so this is going to bring up a bunch of different stay-at-home mom groups that you can post your content in. Now, ideally, I don't recommend just spamming your coupons or get a discount, different things like that. You're going to want to use that value-based content that you created before and then share that in these groups. Now, another one that you can do as well, there's different like buy, sell groups that they have on Facebook. So you can just search buy, sell, right? Buy, sell, trade. And then you can go to groups. And then you could even type in your city, for example. So I could do, Columbus. Ohio. And so you can see these different groups come up. Columbus, Ohio, buy, sell, trade, Columbus, Ohio, buy, sell, trade, right? So there's these different options. These are other groups that you could post in. Same kind of deal. You could probably post more coupon related things in a group like this, but at the same time, it's a little bit spammy, and these might not be the most targeted groups, but as you'll see, this can actually work in conjunction with a Facebook ad strategy, which I'll talk about a little bit later as well. But these are different groups that you can find, you can market in, you can connect with your target market. So that one can be very effective to find people to promote your cleaning business on social media. The next option that you can do, the fourth one, is actually promoting on LinkedIn and in LinkedIn groups, within your LinkedIn connections, various things like that. So this option is typically going to work better for like a commercial cleaning business. It's more professional people on there, and there's a lot of people that you can connect with that could be your ideal target market and ideal customers. So for example, I'll hop on LinkedIn and kind of show you where you could connect with some of these people and what you might want to do over there to start promoting your cleaning business. LinkedIn is another great option to promote your cleaning business, but one idea to think about is that it's probably better suited for commercial cleaning businesses. Now, again, you can actually type in specific job positions that might be interested in a cleaning service. So for example, facilities manager. So all you need to do is just come here at the top, type in facilities manager, and then you'll actually see people and groups. So these are good places to actually jump into and search in. You can find groups for facility managers. That can be a great place to post your content. Again, your value-based content, or just maybe connect with these people and send them a message. You can do that through people or in the groups, right? So let's say we pick people here, and it's going to come up with different facilities managers. Now you can actually go to the all filters option, and you could add in a location. So again, we could do that Columbus, Ohio, like I had done earlier. Again, just picking a random area here, and you can search and see who are facilities managers. Now these could be people that you can come here, hit connect with. You can even send them a message. And so starting off, you might start with people that are your second connections, start making those connections. And then as those build up, you're going to have more and more connections. And it's kind of like friends of friends when they're second connections. And so it's a simple way to start building your network of people that might be interested in your products, your service, your business. And then when you share that value-based content on your LinkedIn profile, they're going to have the opportunity to see that. And so again, when they see you as a credible expert that's sharing valuable content, they can go to that site and read that content. That can build that relationship, help generate leads. And then on top of that, you can actually, with the strategy we'll talk about next, is using Facebook ads to retarget those people, or even create audiences that look just like those people, so they can be very highly targeted as well. But again, this is a simple way that you can use LinkedIn to start promoting your cleaning business as well. The fifth thing that you can do is going to be Facebook ads, and these are a great tool, a great resource that you can use, and it's also going to work in conjunction with the content marketing strategy you developed earlier. So on your blog posts, on your website, the content that you're making, you can actually install a Facebook pixel. So when you set up your Facebook ad account, you're going to get a pixel, and you can put that on those pages. Now, why this is important is because as you share that value-based content on Facebook, on LinkedIn, wherever it is you're sharing it, what happens is that as people visit those sites, they kind of get like a little cookie on them, and Facebook knows that those people visited them. that site. So what you can do then is run Facebook ads that are either targeting those people specifically that visited your content, or you can even make a lookalike audience of people that have visited that page. And then what happens is you can run ads for people that basically look like those that would visit that page, and so that they were interested in your content. So this can make it a lot more targeted instead of just trying to blast your content everywhere. And that's one reason why we find a lot of cleaning business owners lose money on Facebook ads, because they aren't very targeted. They're just kind of boosting posts at random. There's no method to the madness, right? And so this is one aspect that you want to do in conjunction with the other social media promotion that you're using. Now, we actually did a video a while back all about the top 5 mistakes that cleaning business owners are making with Facebook ads. So if you want to check that out, we'll have a link to that video in the description below, probably a card up here as well that you can definitely check out. And then also, if you just don't want to deal with that, if maybe it's outside of your scope of expertise, that is also an aspect that we do for our clients here at our marketing agency, is run their Facebook ads. So definitely fill out a survey below the video as well if you'd like to learn more about how we can help your specific business promote and grow through Facebook ads and more. Moving on from there though, another thing that you can do is actually promote your cleaning business on Instagram. And you can even use Instagram ads, because those work in conjunction with Facebook ads, which is very powerful. So some ideas that you could do with that: same kind of thing. You can promote your blog posts, your content that you're already creating. Just create a nice picture to go along with it. And you could just say something along the lines of, check out the full blog post on our site. You know, there's a link in our bio. Drive traffic back to your website that way through Instagram. You know, if you're a residential cleaner, you could do kind of before and after pictures showing that. People like that kind of stuff. You could do mini videos on Instagram, kind of going through a cleaning technique or a cleaning process, and then promote, hey, if you'd like us to clean your home, you come book a free quote. There's a link in our bio, right? So you can post different content, different images, before and after photos. Those can be a great way to also promote your cleaning business without really being spammy or pushy, and that can be very powerful. Step number 7 that you can use to promote your business on social media is through YouTube marketing. Now, why this is very powerful, it's similar to blogging in a sense, where you can actually create the content once and it can continue to work for your business 24/7 forever, which is very powerful. So it can leverage a lot of your time. Now, the type of content that you may be interested in creating, again, you could do something like time-lapse videos. So you're going through the cleaning process and showing as you clean that building. I've seen videos that have hundreds of thousands of views of people just kind of cleaning their own home and having people watch that. So if you actually do that as a cleaning business, that can be very powerful to get a ton of traffic and a ton of exposure for your cleaning business. And they can also see, you know, what your cleaners look like. So that can build a lot of trust and rapport. Again, they'll see the great job that you do. So it's just more proof that you do good work. A lot of advantages with that. If you're a commercial cleaning business, you may create content that's based around, again, solving problems for building owners, for facility management, tips for keeping costs down, ideas on hiring a cleaning service that has a high production rate, various things like that that are focused around their problems and how to actually solve them. And again, there's not really competition on YouTube for cleaning businesses. There's not really a lot of people doing it. So it's kind of a wide open market at this point. So it could be a good opportunity to jump into to help you promote your cleaning business and get a lot of eyeballs on what you're doing. Another thing that you could do as well is to promote your cleaning business on Twitter. Now, a lot of people kind of discount Twitter. They don't really know how to use it, but it can be a great way to actually share your blog posts, share your content, share your YouTube videos, because you can engage and follow and connect with people in your target market, in your niche. Think about some of your biggest competitors. So if there's companies out there that do commercial cleaning, go to their account and you can actually see the people that follow them, and you can follow those people, you know, if they're in your area, if you're in your time zone, whatever the case might be. And those are probably very targeted people, because if they're following another commercial cleaning service, they're obviously interested in commercial cleaning somehow. And so that could be an ideal client, an ideal potential customer for you as well. You can also do this just locally. So you can search for different local businesses as well in your area. And this can be another great way to connect with people that could be a good fit for your industry, for your target customers. And so again, same idea, you want to share your value-based content there. And then when you do, people that do visit your site, you can retarget them. They'll get value, they can become a customer, and it's a great way to promote your business. Now, another step that you can use, probably more if you're in the residential space, could be Pinterest. A lot of people love posting kind of before and after pictures, different things. So people like good looking kind of real estate. So if again, you cleaned out a new place and it looks awesome right after a cleaning job, that could be a great way to promote on Pinterest as well. People like those pictures that are immaculate homes, right? So if that's the kind of work that you're doing, it can be a great place to promote your cleaning business as well. But again, overall, just understand that you want to lead with value first, something that's helping solve your target market's problems, their pain points, answering their questions. And when you do that, it's a great way to build that relationship, build rapport, trust, and credibility for your cleaning business. And that can translate into traffic, leads, and new cleaning clients for your business. So again, hopefully you guys got some benefit and value out of this video. If you did, feel free to comment and share. And if you haven't done so yet, definitely subscribe to our channel and turn on those bell notifications to get even more tips and training to help you build a profitable cleaning business with digital marketing. And if you're struggling to generate leads, you'd like to grow your business even faster, we actually put together a free training all about the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So if you're looking for more clients for your business, looking for more quality leads, definitely check out that video. There'll be a link in the description below that's going to walk you through, again, the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. And if you'd like help with your marketing, like I said, there's also a survey below in the description. You can feel free to check out and fill that out to see how we can help you best start marketing your business through digital marketing. But again, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.